handle another concept, an amazing concept, very amazing. And that is the solar system. Just look at how the earth is moving. Just look at it. It's so wonderful. So I want us to go into the solar system and then look at how this movement is done and the other bodies within the solar system. So let us continue. Okay, so this is the solar system. This is the solar system. So let's go into the solar system. Okay, let's go into the solar system. So we are seeing the sun coming out, right? Okay, the solar system. So let us look to the master in the solar system, the only star in the solar system, and that is the sun. Let's go into that and see. Okay, this is the master of the solar system, the ultimate source of energy in the solar system. The sun is believed to have been in existence for 5 billion years ago, and it will continue to be in existence for 5 billion years to come, and then it will die. The sun will die because it is a star. Stars are born and they die. They are born from ball of gases. The light in the sun is sparkling, so you cannot just stand on it and look at it. So look at the way it is. The temperature of the sun is very hot. The distance from the earth to the sun is 150 million kilometers. 50 million kilometers. The sun is very large. The size of the sun is 109 times that of the earth. So if the size of the earth is just like a pen dot, then the size of the sun is just like a size 5 football. So it is very huge. So this is how we see it in space, right? This is how we see it in the sky. Okay, so that is the sun, the master. Now let's go in and view the first planet closer to the sun, and that is Mercury. Okay, Mercury is the first planet closer to the sun. Okay, so look at the surface of Mercury. Okay, there is no life on Mercury. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one after that is Venus, of which people call it the bright morning star. Look at it. So early in the morning, sometimes you see it in the sky, just like a shining star, but it is Venus, and we call it the bright morning star. It is the hottest and the coldest planet in the solar system. It contains 96% of carbon dioxide. Because of the carbon dioxide, it attracts more heat, and that is why we call it that is why it is the coldest and the hottest. It is coldest in the evening, and it is hottest in the daytime, because it can attract heat and it can also attract coldness. Okay, so let us continue. The next one after that is the one that we are in, and I hope you know the name. That is the earth. So the earth, as we have, okay, very nice blue ball. Okay, blue. Okay, the part of it which is facing the sun is the day, and look at the dark part, that is night. Okay, so it will continue to rotate, and the dark part will also come and face the light. The earth is, look at the color. Have you seen the whitest part? That is the continent, the seventh continent, the Antarctica, where it is only ice. Look at the blue is the ocean. Okay, and then we believe that we have 70% of our earth to be water. That is why we have a lot of blue like that, and the other part is the land that we are staying on. That is our continent. That is our earth, the earth that we are on, or the planet that we are staying on. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Between earth, after earth we have another. Look at, okay, so we have the moon. The earth is a planet because it moves around the sun, but the moon is a satellite. It moves around the planet. Okay, the moon is a satellite. It moves around the planet. So let's look at this as we continue to go. After the earth we have Mars. Mars is also believed to be the next planet after earth, and it is called the god of war. That is what the first named it, the god of war. Why do they call it? Look at the surface. They thought it was a spread of or a sprinkle of blood that made the surface like this rusty, reddish brown color, and because of they called it the god of war. So that is it. So you have another ring around it. It means there is a body that moves around Mars too. Okay, so as we go in, the next one after Mars, that is Ceres. Ceres is not a planet, but it is a dwarf planet. So that is the closest dwarf planet to the sun. So the next one is Jupiter. We can say Jupiter is here. We consider it to be the biggest planet. Okay, so that is Jupiter. You see Jupiter, white strips and then reddish brown in it. No life can also survive here. No life can survive here apart from Earth. None of the planet is having life surviving life there. Okay, after the Jupiter we have the um, Saturn. Okay, and it is believed that we having ring around it. So look at how it is. Okay, a very nice planet, and look at the color. Now look at all the rings around it. That is moons. So every planet have different number of moons. Mercury has no moon at all. So Saturn also have so many moons around it. Okay, now let's continue. After the Saturn, we have the next planet. Okay, and where is it? Okay, we can locate it here. Okay, after it we have the Uranus. The Uranus is here, and that is it. Okay, after Uranus we have another one. Which one again? Oh, we have the Neptune. Okay, the Neptune is here. Okay, that is that. And then we go in. Which one again? Then we have the Pluto, and then the Pluto too is now considered to be a dwarf planet. Look at how it is. It is also a dwarf planet. Okay, so they are the planets we have in space. We have 8 planets. 8 planets. Now, the 8 planets are all around the sun. The sun is the only star in the solar system. And now let us go into it. The solar system is just a little portion of the Milky Way, a little portion, just like a dot in the Milky Way. So let's go into the Milky Way. We have bigger bodies which are even bigger than the solar system in the Milky Way. So the Milky Way, just look at this. So many. To the Milky Way, the solar system just small in the Milky Way. Now we are going to the Milky Way. Let's go into the Milky Way. Wow, that is wonderful. So look at it. This is the Milky Way, the Milky Way galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy. Look at it. So our galaxy is what we call the Milky Way galaxy, and within that we have so many. One galaxy alone is more than billion stars. So some people say that, oh, everyone is having a star. It is not true. Stars are more than human being, because only one galaxy is more than the 8 billion people we have in the world. Do you get it? So we have so many stars, plenty, uncountable. Do you get it? So that is the Milky Way. Look at the stars. Very nice. Plenty stars. Wow. That is plenty stars. Plenty. Now, okay, let's go into it. So after the Milky Ways, combine different Milky Ways, we come to get what we call the Virgo supercluster. Then when we put them together, we get what we call the universe. So the universe is a wonderful place. Wonderful. Very wonderful. Very nice. That is the universe. This is just the universe, and that one too is believed to be secular. Then when we go into it, that is where we get all the Milky Way galaxies and other things, and we come to the Milky Way galaxy, then we get the solar system that we are staying in. So God is wonderful. Look at it, and we get it. Wow. So we come to the solar system, and then we get the one that we are staying in. Okay, so that is the solar system for you, and this is the sun. Okay, this is the almighty sun, the source of energy in the solar system. And this is how they observe space. This is how you observe it. Wow, that is nice. So we have the stars very far away from the solar system. So the only star which is closer to us is the sun. The rest are very far away. Very far away. And even the one which is closer to us is 150 million kilometers away. The sun's light reaches the surface of the earth using 8 minutes. It takes 8 minutes for the sun's light to reach the surface of the earth, on the surface of the earth. And we said light travels at 300 million meters per second. So you can calculate the distance for yourself, and it is not easy. This is the solar system. Okay, thank you.